Hello and welcome to the channel. Today's topic is the importance of learning English. We'll explore why English is a global language and how it can open doors to new opportunities. Stay tuned and let's dive in.
Beginner level.
Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the importance of learning English. English is an international language. People all over the world speak English. When we learn English, we can talk to people from different countries. English helps us in school and work. Many books, websites, and videos are in English. If we know English, we can learn more things. English is also useful for travel. We can ask for help, order food, and make friends. In conclusion, learning English is very important. It helps us communicate, learn, and grow. Thank you.
Elementary or pre-intermediate level.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about why learning English is important. English is one of the most spoken languages in the world. Many people use English to communicate in business, education, and travel. Learning English gives us more opportunities. We can study abroad, get better jobs, and understand international news. English also helps us use technology because many apps and websites are in English. Moreover, English connects people from different cultures. We can make friends and share ideas with people around the world. In short, learning English opens many doors in life. That is why we should try our best to learn it. Thank you for listening.
Intermediate level.
Good day, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of learning English in our modern world. English has become a global language. It is used in international communication, science, technology, and business. Because of this, learning English helps us stay connected with the world. English also plays a big role in education. Many academic books, research papers, and online courses are written in English. By learning English, we gain access to more knowledge and information. In addition, English improves career opportunities. Many companies prefer employees who can speak English well. It helps people work with international teams and clients. To sum up, learning English is not just a skill, but a powerful tool for success. It helps us communicate, learn, and achieve our goals. Thank you.
Upper intermediate level.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to discuss the importance of learning English in today's globalized society. English is widely recognized as a global lingua franca. It allows people from different linguistic and cultural backgrounds to communicate effectively. As a result, English plays a crucial role in diplomacy, international business, and global education. From an academic perspective, English provides access to a vast amount of knowledge. Most scientific research, academic journals, and online resources are published in English. Without English, many learning opportunities would be limited. Furthermore, English is essential for career development. In a competitive job market, strong English skills can make a significant difference. They enable professionals to collaborate internationally and advance their careers. In conclusion, learning English is an investment in our future. It empowers us to connect with the world, expand our knowledge, and achieve long-term success. Thank you for your attention.
Advanced level.
Distinguished guests and fellow learners, today I would like to highlight the significance of learning English in the 21st century. English has evolved into the dominant global language, shaping communication across borders. It serves as a bridge that connects nations, cultures, and ideas in an increasingly interconnected world. In the fields of education and innovation, English is indispensable. The majority of groundbreaking research, academic discourse, and digital content is produced in English. Mastery of the language allows individuals to engage critically with global knowledge and contribute meaningfully to their fields. Moreover, English proficiency enhances professional mobility and competitiveness. It opens doors to international careers, leadership opportunities, and cross-cultural collaboration. In many cases, English is not just an advantage, but a necessity. To conclude, learning English is far more than acquiring a language. It is about gaining access to global opportunities, lifelong learning, and personal growth. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing your English every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!